Dr. Kimberly Giardina is the newly appointed Executive Director of the Academy for Professional Excellence, a project of the SDSU School of Social Work. Previously, she served as the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer for San Diego County's Health and Human Services Agency, where she spent 25 years transforming child welfare systems.
When I first started out in the field, I didn't have all of the skills that I needed to do the level of work that I wanted to do with families. So that made me decide to go back and get my master's degree, and San Diego State has a great master's in social work program. I've always been really intrigued by how do we take data and then use it to inform policy change or changes in practice, and really using it as a way to improve systems overall.
In addition to her current role, Dr. Giardina co-chairs the Live Well Center for Innovation and Leadership, spearheading a vital academic practice partnership between SDSU and the county.
How do we make sure that it's really a two-way feedback loop between what's happening in practice on the ground in health and human services, and how do we take what university faculty and researchers are doing and how do we synthesize that data to make it useful, ultimately with the goal of having an impact in our community here in San Diego. Across health and human services, it is a challenging time to recruit and retain our workforce. And so to have opportunities to help train and teach social workers as they're coming through their field is incredibly important. I think it always makes me feel a little bit more hopeful and excited when I get to meet with students and see the hope they have for the work that they want to accomplish, the energy and excitement they feel about entering a new field and how they can serve in our community. So being able to give back to the university and contribute to it has been an important part of my entire journey.